Okay. For a party, 12 burgers and 30 friends are fries are ordered for rupees 720. 14 burgers and 32 fries would have been ordered for rupees 800 INR. Find the price of 10 burgers and 25 fries. Okay. Like to try this one? Please try. Right. Okay, guys. So similarly, how do we solve this question? We observe that 12 burgers and 30 fries cost rupees 720. We divide the whole equation by 6. Okay, you get 2 burgers and 5 fries for rupees 120. Multiply by 5. 10 burgers and 25 fries cost rupees 600. You don't even need to use the second condition here. Only the first equation suffices. Right? It's that simple. Okay, so many times you can stay alert and manipulate or adjust the given equations to get the required answer. We'll solve one more question of this type. Okay, a cutlery shop owner observes that a customer pays 470 INR for 6 forks, 14 knives, and 8 spoons. Another customer pays 500 INR for 4 spoons, 22 forks, and 6 knives. Yet another customer pays 420 INR for 8 knives, 14 forks, and 4 spoons. Find the price of 12 forks. Okay, so you can try this question by pausing the video. Okay, let's discuss. All right. So whatever is given in this particular question, I've tabulated everything. Okay. The price of 6 forks, 14 knives and 8 spoons is 470, right? Another customer pays 500 INR for 4 spoons. अब देखो इसने सीक्वेंस चेंज कर दिया है, पहले स्पून्स का प्राइस बताया है. बहुत लोग यहाँ गलती करते हैं, इसको 4 लिख देते हैं. Okay, which is not correct. Okay, likewise. So 4 spoons, 22 forks and 6 knives, 500. Okay, and the last customer pays 420 rupees for 8 knives, 14 forks and 4 spoons. देखो यहाँ भी sequence change किया है. He's first talking about knives, 8 knives. पहले इसके बारे में बताया. Right? So we have to be really careful about solving these. Okay. Now, guys, the point to observe here is that you know they're asking you find the price of 12 forks. Okay. Now there are many ways to solve these three equations. Okay, there's something called as a Cramer's rule. Okay, for solving such equations, like with three variables, three linear equation with three variables. Okay, but since they've asked the price of only the forks, we need to eliminate the knives and the spoons from the equation. Let's observe how we do that. So guys, देखो 8 plus 6 होता है 14 जो कि यहाँ दिया हुआ है. 4 plus 4 होता है 8 जो कि यहाँ दिया हुआ है, right? So the idea is we add these two equations and subtract the first from it. Okay, so 14 knives cancel हो जाएंगे, 8 spoons cancel हो जाएंगे, right? So if you observe carefully, as I said once again, okay, 8 plus 6 will basically give you 14 and 4 plus 4 gives you 8, right? So we add the last two equations, okay, and we subtract the first equation from the addition. So 14k basically gets cancelled out, 8k also gets cancelled out. We have 30f is 450 and we have 12f kitna, cross multiplying, we get the answer as 180. It's as simple as that. Okay, you don't even need to write write or manipulate all the equations. Okay, you just need to add the last two and subtract from the first.